Can I put Latisse or Revitalash in my hair? This is a super common question. And the question is, can I use my lash growing products, place them in my hair, and see what happens? First, let's start with Revitalash. Well, Revitalash, this was something that's been done for a while for a lot of the patients off-label. They were taking the Revitalash serum, they were applying it to their hair, and they were noticing that their hair looked thicker. So what did the company Revitalash do? Say don't do this? Of course not. They made a shampoo, conditioner, and a hair serum version that is kind of like the lash serum, but designed for your hair. It's actually one of my favorite products, and we have a lot of patients who, once they start on these skincare products or shampoo and serum, tend to stick with it and think it's one of the better made shampoos, conditioners, and serums. And it has that prostaglandin product that's going to make your hair thicker and more vibrant. So I like this as an alternative to Revitalash lash serum because it's going to be much more cost effective and also much more proven way of getting thicker hair. The second one we're going to talk about is Latisse. Can you use Latisse in your hair? Absolutely, but again, this is not the most cost-effective way of growing hair, and it may or may not have that effect on your hair. Off-label, for many years, patients have used Latisse in areas they've tried to grow hair. That can be eyebrows, that can be hair. And I find it's actually kind of mixed here. I don't think Latisse is as strong as Revitalash for this purpose. I think Latisse is great at growing lashes, but I don't think it's great at growing hair in other places. The second thing I don't like about Latisse here is it's super expensive for that purpose. For your lashes, it's probably much more cost effective than doing lash extensions. On the other hand, for using this same amount of product and topical to grow your hair, it's not really been proven, not been shown. And I kind of know the makers of Allergan have been studying this off-label for about 10 years. If they knew this worked on some level, it would be released. So my take on this, use the product that's designed for your hair growth, that's Revitalash. Hold off on Latisse until you see it being marketed by Allergan. They've known about this for a long time and they haven't released it. So must be something up there on their research end.